Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Royal Futura 800 here. This is a one-of-a-kind machine because we powder coated the lid red, made everything all pretty inside again. Reconditioned the machine, chemically cleaned. It is clean as a whistle in here. Does not get any cleaner than a machine like this. Just perfect. Keyboard is perfect. There's a small scratch on the back here. I think I remember seeing up here, yeah. So where it was sitting on the back at one point. But, you know, not bad. Looks great underneath the basket in here. This machine is in excellent condition. Works perfect. Looks perfect. Can't beat that combo, can you? The underside is completely cleaned. Chemically cleaned everything. It is in mint condition, just like it came off the showroom floor. Let's type on this a little bit here. Let's see what happens here. I'm not the best typer in the world, but I can type something out on this. Yeah, that looks pretty good for a it's a pretty old machine. Let's open the lid up again. Oops. Nailed the camera. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.